Right there where that key is on. Right there. Okay?
That's right.
Right there. And I'll do it slowly, okay?
And there's a snake in the trunk, and Gabby's gonna help us.
I don't see it.
You don't see it?
Open it. You tell me if you see it, okay?
Don't be scared. Be brave. You're almost 10.
Looks like a video camera.
I don't want it.
No, just what? Tell me if you see it. You see it?
It's not there.
What do you see?
That was the whole point.
Did it bite you or what? Happy birthday.
This is from Mom and Boy.
This is from me and Mama.
Go ahead, they're your presents. There's no snake in there. It was a joke.
For the snake.
What's that?
There's another thing in there, Daddy. I'm just trying. Want me to untie it? I've got this one. I can do this one by myself. Whoa. All the other ones I got help. This one I can do by myself. What is that? A little solar system thing.
Yeah, it's got to be put together and be put up in your room.
Yeah, I know. My finger.
The solar system.
Daddy, look. Yeah, you have a new laptop.
It's okay.
It's good.
It's styrofoam. It won't break that easily.
A laptop. Awesome. Thanks. This will be the best.
You can take them both out.
Now that's a memory game.
It's got memory in it.
Awesome. Now all we have to do is put the stuff that's in my computer.
It's not like that kind of computer. This
It's a
one
learning
has what it has. It's a learning laptop.
Yes.
And if you get good on that, then we'll get you a real laptop.
Teaches all this stuff: language, math, memory, logic, music, games, Spanish, keyboard skills, and animal fun. And when you get a MP3 player, it will hook up to it.
Hooray! I'm probably going to do animal fun first.
Happy birthday, Gabby.
Thanks. Awesome. Does that have accessories with it?
Hopefully. Move your hand. Get away.
Just in case.
Yeah, the snake is in there.
I still
gotta go grab the strawberry shortcake thing.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Gabby.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.